Hello, how are you? My name is Bruce with DIY Homestead Projects, and in this series of videos I'm going to be building a workshop in this old garage. This garage turned 100 years old this year, 2019. It came with the old house that we bought out here in the middle of Iowa, and I need to build a workshop. So I'm going to show you around the garage a little bit and talk about a few of the upcoming projects, and then I'll show you a time-lapse video of my wife and I starting to clear this garage out. This garage is 24 feet wide by 48 feet long, and I suppose it used to be an old carriage house or something like that. I really honestly don't know, but it has wooden boards for the floor, and these are just laid on top of dirt. Very sparse studs in the wall, and lots of cobwebs. Just a hand roll up door on some springs. I had to put new, oh, you can see it with that light, I had to put new springs on it. I couldn't hardly even open the door when we bought the place, so I'd put new springs on. I got the door operating pretty well. Got a couple of old cabinets in here that are falling apart. I'm going to tear those apart, salvage what I can to make some workbenches in here, and then put some shelving on the walls. As you can tell probably by the video, the lighting is poor. The only light in here is that one 4-foot fluorescent. I'm going to put in some LED lighting, and I'm also going to install some solar on the shed to operate lighting, and some chargers for some of my power equipment. I also plan, I haven't made up my mind 100% yet, but I think I'm going to run 220 back here to run a small stick welder that I have. We'll see how that goes, but first thing I got to do is get all these cobwebs cleared out of here, and tear this bench out, take those shelves out, and then start cleaning and building. Let me back up a little bit so you can kind of see. It's got a single door for the entrance, just a single roll-up door, and just one line coming in here supplying about 3 or 4 outlets, and that shop light that's hanging up on the top there. I temporarily, oh, it's real dark back here. Anyway, in the corner there I've got a couple of deep cycle batteries and a solar charge controller that I'm going to be converting into the power for this. Not 100% power, probably just for the lighting and for some charging. It has a neat little balcony up there, and this board you see across here is a ladder that drops down and sits on the floor, and then you can climb up there. I've been up there and it's dirty, it's a mess. Let me roll to the clip of my wife Selena and I taking all the junk out of here that we've had just stored in here to keep it out of the rain. But it's time for that to come to an end. I need to get this converted into a shop so I have a space to work. Well, that was a lot of work. It took us basically a whole day to clear out just that front half of the garage. I'm excited to get started. So probably the next phase of this project on the next video will be tearing out these benches and shelves and starting to put the plan together as to where to go next with the project. Welcome to the channel. If you're interested in following along on this project, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and hit the bell so you can get notifications when I put up a new video. I appreciate you watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.